All LUMIX S Series cameras can be powered and charged over the USB-C port. The S1 series include a power charger that is sufficient to both charge and power the camera indefinitely. The S5, however, only includes a power supply that is sufficient for charging. If you want to run the camera indefinitely, you'll need a third-party charger. This power bank here runs the requisite 9 volts, 3 amps, 27 watts that are required to power the camera. Or you can run the camera off of an external battery, also known as a power bank. This one here also delivers the 9 volts, 3 amps, 27 watts required. To use this, simply plug the power bank into the USB-C port on the side of the camera. As soon as that's inserted, you'll see a message on the LCD telling you that USB-C power is being delivered, and you'll also see a small icon over the battery indicating that external power is being delivered. And that's what you need to know to power your camera over USB-C.
Panasonic.